Hello! This is Cast WMS, aka Play Cast. Well, I got this new stand and I'm going to display my earrings on this and I'm going to put it together. And let's see, I have some little pieces here. And in this package, it came with, I think they're called an Allen wrench. So I'm going to use this to screw the pieces together. And I do believe that this is going to go on the top. And I'm gonna, let's see, I'm going to screw it here. Okay, I guess it's going to sit on the outside. So let me get my little screw together and thread it through. Okay. And I don't know, I may speed up part of this because I don't know if you want to watch me screwing all these pieces together. So, but right now, whoops, I did that wrong. Gotta have that up like that. And, okay. Alrighty.
No, the phone in my hand, that's why. The phone in my hand, that's why. No, but I think the Jamaica girl, like, bought.
So let's see. Okay, top down. Yeah, man. Okay.
Let me see. I hope I know you have to actually unless you want cheap to give it in the US and then you add our yeah. But me does more expression sugar. Yeah. So I know you don't know.
Okay. It's together, and it didn't take long.
Yeah.
I've got, I don't know, however many of these hooks they send, except for I'm gonna find my jewelry and space it out. But I think these need to be fastened on with some zip ties. So I'll get some zip ties and fasten it on. Oh, and then there's a boo-boo here. Like a little boo-boo here. Oh, man. It's worse on that side. I don't know why I have that little boo-boo. Oh, well. I guess I'll have to live with it.
No problem. I got you.
Okay.
Maybe I'll put it out. I know, but I want to get in time so that you can't get the expression.
So these sit here like this. But as I said, they need zip ties. But I will come back once I have it all set up. Okie dokie. All right.